we have done more than the governor has done with the quantity of money he has collected. Automatically, there is nothing to campaign.
It seems, Senator, if I may chip in one thing, a school of thought is of the view that your governor, Ademola, is from the Accord Party, and the gubernatorial election is coming before your own election. So have you for one day sat down and get worried that if the governor should get re-elected, perhaps it may affect your...
He cannot be re-elected.
Okay.
I brought him there.
All right.
You know, he has no... I don't think it has something to deliver.
Okay.
Because of low level of education.
Yes.
That one, I will give it to him. But his own senior brother and senior sister, including the chief of staff, are the one ruling for him.
Okay.
In fact, there was a time Mr. President sent for him that should go and bring him. He sent his wife to that place. 2 days he spent. When he was going, he called the first wife, he gave money, the other one, he gave money. He said, Demola, your father wants to see you. Because it is a shame for him to lose us. Who made him to reach people like us? Because I want them. Because we are very close. So your father needs us. Because it's a shame for president to lose twice in his own state of origin. He said he would come. When they couldn't see him, he called me that I should go and bring him. It took me 6 months before I could talk to Demola because of the level of intelligence. They even offered to give him the party, the way they were giving Akwa Ibom, Delta, and so on. He couldn't respond. We were going to his house, me and Ajabu, anytime we left Mr. President. What is your problem? He said the other one wanted to kill him. I said, you are the man. You are the governor of a state who can kill. Nobody will kill you. He lost. There was a time they even gave 30% APC, 70 PDP. He refused. Now, when we now cough, he started shouting. Because it's a must, we must take that state. Today, we are in charge of local government. Isn't it? We are in charge. Everything must follow. So let's see what will happen 2027, August 15. They will lose out. Because they cannot resist what is on ground. And they cannot even explain what it did with the allocations they were taking. Only for flyover in where? It constructed one aspect in Ife, which has not finished. Ife does not need flyover. He gave us a 5 kilometer inferior dualized road in Electoral. That is our own job, and we had more votes than anybody. So one will, and when they even got to Mr. President, they started bragging that they were the owner of 95% vote that they will bring. And their problem is the senator here, who had been bragging that before you could go there, he must follow. That's Senator Onyemu, the Senate Deputy Minority Leader. Now that he has moved to Accord, there's no Accord in the National Assembly. So automatically he has to give to either PDP, there's PDP is dead, there's no Accord, maybe ADC. So that is what is happening in Osun. And that is the magic you are looking for that we have done. Not magic. Belong to the people, satisfy them, you are okay. It's only one rally that I did in that area that they went in this area. They went to the Kabiyesi, started reporting the senator, Kabiyesi senator. And the one went on, he was castigating and said, no, I'm your political leader. And you know we are equal. Take it easy with Accord. There's no Accord. Federal government is not possible. It's not possible for you to face federal government because you belong to federal contractors. That's how we shall settle it out. Just only one rally. Imagine we have been doing rally, they will have run away. 2 camps.
Okay.
So because of the performances, the grassroots development, we bypass that one. So what will happen now is, by the time I now leave with Tinubu,
Okay.
it will remain additional 4 years, which my people they have to nominate,
Okay.
so that we can now have the same 16 years. That's so that is what is the arrangement. But if you don't go close to the grassroots, you will fail. That is what is happening. I brought about 4 people there to the presidency. He endorsed. But you must go into the grassroots to prove yourself, because politics is local. I cannot say because I know him and I sit down here. Everybody must go into, even look at Akpabio. Akpabio went to Ikorepe and he sat down there. He made sure they brought all his results to Abuja. He followed it up. Because there's a thing to win at the local and the state level. The people sent to that place, they are human beings. They can be influenced. Then you have to follow it up to the party headquarters. Sit down with them, iron things out. If not, you could see what is happening. Well, they are human beings. And that is political calculation. If you sit down and you went to church and celebrate that you have won, and you leave them, the both secretary and the chairman, to bring the result to Abuja, there are some heavens. Political hijackers are waiting. Before you could open the door of success, follow them there. So what we did is to allow the Kogi man to follow the Kogi in this, what is it? Our supervisors. Government beings are what they are. Those people did not follow their own, or their destinies were changed. And the people you see now running to president, they have changed it. But this is a calculated, I will tell you, you do go to grassroots. That's the grassroots. You must do that political rituals, no matter what it will cost you. Collect their political power to use on their behalf, but you have to exchange certain things to them, make them happy. That's the last political checkpoint. Then we are now moving now to the electorate. The electorate, I don't think they have problems, because we have been with them for long. And whatever we have is what we give. Even this, what do they call it, the primaries,
Yes, sir.
I don't know how much wealth we have distributed. From the leaders down. During the Salah, I'm not a Muslim, but I have many mosques that I've built for communities. My family is a mixed one. The Fadahunsi is where I belong. We are all Christian. The Fagbola days, they shit picking plenty. There are many. They can even form a unit. They are mostly reside in Ibadan. So we normally bring them home, which is very expensive. Then this last one, they don't take ram, it's cow. You have to start giving. This time around, you hardly go to the urbans and kings. You go to the chief imams and his followers. Like Ife, chief imam. He controls all the imams in Ife. Whatever you have given, he will do it. Well, he was my student in Ife while I community high school. He will do it. And you know, such a responsible man, you have to take care of him. If there are employment, you give him, you discipline. That is the political and religious arrangement that match each other. So if you don't know it, you're going to have a problem. Even at the about some hours to election, some people who are friends, they say they don't know me. That has to come to where? Ipetu Idesa. Ipetu Modu. I say, who are you? You mentioned this. I say, okay, you don't know. He said, okay, it's too late. I should send this one. You have to accommodate them. If you see their phone, this phone, you call them back. You call me. And yes, what you are doing is not good. Somebody you saw yesterday. I said, what did I do? Where are you? If there is time, I'll go and meet him. Even my constituency, where Waleoke comes from, I was part of those people who took Waleoke to the president. They said to come and meet them. If you say you are a big man, they have harbored somebody against you. When you now get to say, God save you. I don't have any store or this warehouse. Whatever they see there is what they are. That was what saved us during NSAS when they were destroying Bashiru's properties in Kosovo, and the man from Oriolowo from to the extent that the Imam people, they carried pig there, they stole pig, and you know how bad it is. Then when we now came back here, Lawan now said, in Osun, they destroy APC something in their house. How come they didn't go to her? I said, my room is their room. My warehouse is their warehouse. If they see a bag of rice there, I say, take. Why would they come and destroy their stuff? Which are normally stuff. I won't have anywhere to store their things again. He said, that is how to do politics. As old as I am, I shouldn't even know what I want. Give to the people what they want. Up to now, we are still doing projects. But because there is paucity of money, people have gone far. Today, in Adeleke, we are constructing 2 bridges joining Adeleke and Ife. We have finished one. The 2 are the one. But as soon as they are there now, even in Ife, I'm still constructing road. Anywhere we put our banner, we want to construct. Ademola has run there. Because he knows he has no reputation in that area. In my area, for him to even do certain things, he has problem. The bridge that connected Osun, that's Oriade and that's a bridge. He's just doing it because he knew we were going there. He has spoiled the place. There's no money again. So if there's money, I don't care, I will do it. But that is where people are doing.
Okay.
On agri, we have done a lot. Okay. On roads, we have done. We are still trying. Transformers, I don't think the state government can buy the quantity of transformers we have bought. It's only to start connecting. It's more than 200 and something, which we have distributed. What is it again? Solar. That's Baba Solar. Because we normally give them. These are the things we have done there. If